Neither Current nor Varo can promise that your paycheck will arrive earlier than the other, because early direct deposit depends on when your employer or payroll provider sends the payment information. By the end of this video, you'll know how Current and Varo handle early direct deposits, what actually determines when your money arrives, and which app may fit your needs better. Here's the short answer first. Both Current and Varo offer early direct deposit for eligible users. The real difference usually isn't the app. It's when your employer releases payroll and when the payment file reaches the bank. Let's start with Current. Current allows eligible customers to receive direct deposits as soon as the payment is received from the sender. If your employer submits payroll early, your paycheck can appear before the scheduled payday. Setting this up is simple. You choose Current for direct deposit, provide your account information to your employer, and wait for payroll to begin arriving. Now, let's look at Varo. Varo also offers early direct deposit for eligible accounts. Like Current, Varo credits incoming payroll after receiving the payment instructions. If the payroll provider sends the file early, your money can become available before your official payday. So which deposits earlier? For most people, the answer is neither. If the same employer sends the same payroll file at the same time, Current and Varo often receive the information on a similar schedule. Small differences can happen, but neither company publicly guarantees that it will consistently beat the other. If you're switching banks, remember that the first direct deposit sometimes takes longer because payroll systems need time to update your new account information. After everything is set up, future deposits usually follow your employer's normal payroll cycle. You should also know that early direct deposit only applies when the payment information arrives early. If your employer sends payroll on the actual payday, neither Current nor Varo can make the money appear before they receive it. Choosing between the two comes down to more than deposit timing. Compare the budgeting tools, savings features, account options, and overall app experience to decide which one works better for how you manage your money every week. To recap, both Current and Varo offer early direct deposit for eligible users, and your employer's payroll schedule has a much bigger impact than the app you choose. Pick the account with the features you prefer, update your direct deposit information correctly, and give payroll time to process the change. If this comparison helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other 2026 banking app comparisons.